The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
She has a blue car.
She has a blue car.
We play football.
We play football.
He runs every morning.
He runs every morning.
The dog is barking.
The dog is barking.
I see a small bird.
I see a small bird.
They go to the market.
They go to the market.
The cat sleeps on the sofa.
The cat sleeps on the sofa.
You have a big house.
You have a big house.
She drinks milk.
She drinks milk.
He reads a book.
He reads a book.
We love our family.
We love our family.
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
I write with a pen.
I write with a pen.
He eats an apple.
He eats an apple.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
We watch TV at night.
We watch TV at night.
They play in the garden.
They play in the garden.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
I open the door.
I open the door.
She closes the window.
She closes the window.
He helps his mother.
He helps his mother.
We go to the beach.
We go to the beach.
The car is very fast.
The car is very fast.
I have 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
She likes chocolate.
She likes chocolate.
He sits on a chair.
He sits on a chair.
The clock shows 10 o'clock.
The clock shows 10 o'clock.